Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Gmail password. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you have logged in, you have to go to the top right and press your Google account, and then press manage your Google account. Once you're here, you press personal info on the left bar. Then you scroll down to password. Then you simply press on this tab. You have to log in with your password. Then select new password and copy it here, and then press change password. And then you are set and you should be able to log in with your new password. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.